Copyai Enterprise Plan Pricing explained what you get for your money. Copyai Enterprise isn't just an iWriting tool. Most people get this wrong. It's designed for organizations that need large-scale content generation, brand consistency, and team collaboration across multiple channels. Pricing is custom based on team size and usage, often starting in the thousands per year. Features include unlimited copy generation, long-form content creation, content templates, collaboration tools, dedicated account management, and priority support. Integration with platforms like WordPress, HubSpot, and Shopify streamlines publishing workflows. The surprising truth is that Copyai Enterprise helps teams produce high-quality marketing, sales, and social content without bottlenecks. For example, teams can generate email sequences, add copy or product descriptions while maintaining tone and style guidelines. Advanced reporting lets managers track usage, efficiency, and output quality across the team. Enterprise collaboration features include multi-user access, role management, and shared content libraries, ensuring everyone works seamlessly and consistently. In conclusion, Copyai Enterprise pricing reflects a platform built for businesses that need scalable, efficient content production. If your goal is to streamline marketing workflows, maintain brand consistency, and accelerate content output, Copyai Enterprise isn't just it's a team-focused content engine.